For just one special night, the luxurious villa where K-pop global sensation BTS stayed during the second season of In the SOOP will be available to book on Airbnb. On Monday, August 29, the house featured in the hit reality series will be open for bookings with a low price of $7 in a nod to the 7-membered group. In 2020, the chart-topping, internationally renowned K-pop boy group starred in the SOOP, a reality series that featured the boys vacationing together in a private location. Meantime, K-pop girl group BLACKPINK, in collaboration with battle royale game PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds or PUBG Mobile, drops the music video of their special comeback track Ready for Love on Friday, July 29. The 3-minute music video features the 3-dimensional avatars of the BLACKPINK girls exploring the mobile game's familiar maps, dancing on virtual stages, and floating through pink and purple tinged clouds. BLACKPINK recently performed for the first weekend of PUBG Mobile's in-game concert called The Virtual. The Virtual is PUBG Mobile's and BLACKPINK's first ever in-game concert where players can experience the girl group's global chart-topping hits.